Natirito pa rin kami sa barangay. I forgot actually the name of this. This is part of Santa Maria. Actually, 45 minutes, or rather 30 minutes from the center of the town of Santa Maria. It's very, very beautiful. Nakita mo ng tubig, very clean, coming from the Mount Banahaw o Cordillera. But then, hindi kami makaligo kasi wala kaming makapanligo naman at hindi naman kami handa. We just watched this clear water run from the mountains down to the rice fields of Santa Maria, which is called the Rice Granary of Laguna. Nadaanan namin lahat yan. At talagang gusto ko na lumublog kaya lang wala kaming baon. Wala kaming baon na damit. Kaya ang nangyari, hanggang tingin na lang kami with this beautiful scenery. At nakita mo naman dyan, may mga lumulutang-lutang pa na mga itik dyan eh. Nakita mo yung mga bahay na magaganda at mga puno na wala pang bawas. Talagang bawal talaga dyan magputol ng puno. Andito naman mga kasama ko, sila Matet. Of course, si Ronnie, courtesy of his huge car, na magkakasya talaga kami kahit 6 kami. And then, lagi kami, minsan twice a week, pinupuntahan namin mga lugar na mga difficult road, but beautiful, ang gaganda ng mga retired teachers. Anyway, nakikita mo naman, very relaxing, na nakikita mo lang itong isang bibi or pato, nag-enjoy lang siya sa fresh water. Hindi naman siya nakakulong, but very relaxing to see this creature na talagang nag-enjoy siya, hindi siya natatakot sa amin. Lumalapit lang siya, and very clean, very white, pure white. Talagang malinis ang katawan. Anyway, just enjoy the video and I'll see you next. Thank you.